Video is going to show you how to install LaView DB7 doorbell camera. Now let's get started. First, take out the mounting bracket from the accessories. Make sure the bracket is facing upwards. Mount the bracket on the wall with provided wall plugs and mounting screws. Snap the doorbell camera onto the mounting bracket. Now the camera is installed. When you need to uninstall the camera for charging, please use the bracket eject tool or a paper clip. Insert the tool into the hole at the bottom of the mounting bracket, and firmly push it in towards the camera, until the bracket pops opened. To avoid false anti-brake alarm during the installation, press the power button for 5 times to turn off the camera temporarily. Or disable the tamper alarm in camera setting menu, before you uninstall it. Hold down the power button for 2 seconds to bring the camera back. You can find common issues with solutions in LaView app, and if the problem is not resolved, please feel free to send us the feedback, and we will reach you once we receive it.